Push the button. Excuse me, but where is your track mode fire truck? Chase, do you know where it is? You might not know, to be honest. Ryder, do you know where Valga's fire truck track mode is? It might not have one. Will it? I had to go off a few times, I swear. Yeah, I can see there, look. It might not have one, unfortunately. I do apologise. Let's see if Chase has the trap mode. No, he does not have one as well. This is terrible. Right, let's get Rescue Boss to trap mode then. Seriously, have they all gone quiet today? Oh!